Hello and welcome back to another session of wood chips, and I found a better way of doing the laminate floor fix. And what I do is, instead of just pouring the Titebond 3 glue into the crack where it's very messy, I have found a different way of doing it. That way is by using a glue syringe that I get from rockler.com, and it comes with all different color tips. Better way of going. It gives you just enough to put in the crack so that when you rejoin it, it doesn't spill out all over the place. And then I've been taking painter's tape and putting it around the floor, around the crack, and that made a huge difference in the cleanup. Clean up the crack a little bit, pull off the tape, and just wash it with Dawn soap and a wet paper towel, and you're done. It's a great way to do it. So now I'm going to readjust the camera and show you exactly how this works. So bear with me. And now we're getting ready to put the glue in. Here it goes. And now I'm going to put my wackadoo tap, laminate floor tap in place. And I'm going to give it a few swats. And as you can see, it's beaded up. And I'm just going to take a paper towel. Now I'm going to pull off the tape. And I'll take my wet rag with the Dawn soap. Take a dry paper towel. And that's it. Is the way that it works. Try this method and you'll be much happier with the results. You won't have as much cleanup. Until the next time, have a great day, and here's wood chips.